planning departments of the county today, and we're gonna be blowing up a heck of a lot of boulders. So hope you guys stick around and enjoy some blasts. A 4-ton range. We got another monster coming. It's gonna be a great day. Boulders. Oh. So yeah, first blast, two blast heads, 2 drill holes, and 2 boosters per hole. And we're gonna go. Big boss man's gonna fire it off. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, fire in the hole! I love it.
Oh yeah.
I didn't go all full depth.
Yeah, but that's good though, because it blew out the bottom. If we would have punched through the bottom, you know, which was here, we wouldn't have gotten that much of a boom.
Gotcha.
And this rock is so damn hard. Look at all that shake it created. It's unreal.
Yeah, that's really cool.
But for 2 little blast heads, that's pretty darn amazing.
Yes, it is.
First boulder blown. We got a big one coming now. Look at that guy. Perfect. Boom. Nice. Look at this field of boulders we're gonna lay to dust. Syntex. So long they all ignite, we'll be good.
Now that they center, you tethered the center one, I'm not afraid of it rolling on you.
Right. Also, it'd be best to pull that one that way.
This is what I want to see.
It'd be the zappy.
Just want to make it reasonably tight.
Green handle.
Yeah, so we got to get as close to the first one.
Now since you've got one, then we stack the other one on top, right?
So we'll stack them all.
Yeah, but I had to get this.
So the tighter it is, the better chance you have of pulling it out of the way.
3, 2, 1, fire in the hole!
That's awesome. Yeah. So this one didn't even ignite, but it broke plenty good, and we even had one misfire.
There you go, John. Where are they, John?
Cat 320C.
Yes, in both hands.
Okay.
So boom and stick, bucket and swing.
Yeah.
And we are boom and bucket, stick and swing.
So I can actually do a little bit of real work.
Right.
Oh, he's gonna go for on that.
Change the rules on it. See how this works out. So let's stand back.
Is it long enough or it's gonna pop off that corner?
Right, he's gonna smash that one.
It's almost free. Oh! Wow! It's like a giant turtle. Did you thread the needle, Mike?
I haven't done this one yet this year.
And that one's hard because it likes to stay going to the left.
Look at this crazy remote controlled brush hog. Oh! At an angle. One here, one here, one here, and here, and we're gonna blow it to smithereens. That's pretty good. Damn. Boulder got shattered. Look at that. I said it'd go more than it did.
No, 5 was
Better
perfect.
safe than sorry.
So
Woo! That was awesome.
Well, Bob said he accidentally drilled him a little too deep. Put another charge in all your
I don't think there's any accident.
I know.
Thread water in the hole. Alright, we got one blast head. Go!
3, 2, 1, blast!
Whoa! So the one blast head split it directly in half. So that's one. See, now it seems like it actually followed some kind of little fracture pattern.
One charge did great. That
I had it reinforced.
Yeah, so the one blast head split this. I mean, this is like 5 feet long. You know, by 3 feet wide. Split it right in half, down to the ground.
Well, it moved off by a couple inches. Pretty close to it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, it cracked.
It's like a giant turtle.
It did charge, man.
Man, that did something there.
So this one didn't even ignite, but you can see how productive it actually is.
This shattered everything.
Oh, absolutely.
Almost like the heart of the rock doesn't want to break.
This one made me jump. It did, yeah.
3, 2, 1, fire in the hole!
Whoa! Whoa! Crush. property. You know, size of this up to, you know, 2 dump trucks in size. And this tool is really handy and excels in certain instances. Where it works the best is blowing up boulders like this. You know, a boulder this size or larger, truck size, comes down on a county road, backwoods trail, what have you. You can send a crew of 2 guys out there with a hammer drill. You can use a corded with a generator, gas powered, battery powered, it doesn't matter. There's different ways to set it up. I use a generator because it's more reliable, it's easier, and I use the tools that I have, and you guys can as well. So the idea is to take a larger rock, break it into smaller, manageable pieces. And a rock this size, we're gonna drill 3 holes into it, and realistically, I think we're gonna cap it into 5 or so pieces. And once that's done, let's say this fell on a hiking trail, you know, outside of any town here, and you can't even get a bobcat loader excavator up the trail. You can send someone up with the Sierra blaster, break it into 5 pieces, and now all of a sudden 2 guys can roll these smaller chunks off the hillside or out of the way. Another place that comes really in handy is, let's say you have, you know, backcountry roads, dirt roads, anything, and you have a massive boulder sticking out of the road. You know, just the top's protruding a little bit or even really high, you can blast the cap off and flatten and level the road. Another really good use for it is, let's say you have bedrock ledges sticking out roads, and you know it's a really tight bed and hard to get by. You know, there's situations like that all over the place, and you know, people hit fenders, pop tires, and no one's ever dealt with it. With this, you can deal with that ledge in a matter of 10, 15, 20 minutes. Just blast off, you know, whatever's protruding, move it out of the way, and move on. 1.5 to 2 ton boulder. You know, 3 guys aren't going to roll this. Just in case. There's Alright! 3, 2, 1, fire the hole! There you have it. Hey, good job! Good job.